We're now ready to look at the actual calculations connected to the direct materials variances. But we'll start with a little diagram of where we're going here. We're going to see that there's a total material variance, and that total material variance is going to be broken down into a price variance and a quantity variance. So another way of looking at this is the price variance plus the quantity variance is equal to the total variance. Okay? We're going to do the math for it. The formulas are not difficult. And again, after you do a few of them, it'll be second nature to you. But we start with the total direct materials variance. So they used too much leather. But see how much of that difference was a function of price. The actual quantity was 290 meters. Quantity variance. Whatever. Something went wrong and we damaged a higher quality product. How much of it was because the price, $145. They didn't research it. Maybe we bought a lower quality, unfavorable. Okay, the actual price. Why do we have a favorable material, a favorable quantity variance, but an unfavorable price variance? What might have caused those variances?